guys, welcome back to our page. Today I am going to be discussing the determination of South African citizenship for Namibian people or people from Namibia. So if you are from Namibia and you want to determine whether you are a South African citizen or a permanent resident of South Africa, then this video will be very much insightful to you. So an applicant can apply for the confirmation of their South African status, which may include citizenship or permanent residency. These applications are referred to the South African Department of Home Affairs, where the information will be checked against the National Population Register. The departments will thereafter issue you with a letter confirming if you are a South African citizen or a permanent resident. So the Department of Home Affairs requires information to determine the South African citizenship for a current Namibian citizen, which must be submitted by the relevant person who is seeking South African citizenship. You need to fill out or complete a form BI 529, which can be accessed on our website, which is www.lawyerseasyfind.co.za, which needs to be fully completed in block letters, so in capital letters, and in black ink, a black pen. And then the applicants need to fully and accurately complete all the parts to this form. Questions that are not applicable should be marked as not applicable NA. If answers to certain questions are not known or are unknown, then you should mark it as I do not know. Identity number refers only to South African 13-digit identity numbers and should therefore not be completed if it is unavailable or unknown to you. Applicants should also include a valid cell phone or mobile phone number and email address in order for the department to contact you regarding any queries or to inform you of your citizenship status. So in the case of applicants born in South Africa, an original or certified copy of the South African birth certificate reflecting the full details of both parents. In the case of applicants born in Namibia, a fully completed Namibian questionnaire, which is available upon your request at the Department of Home Affairs. And in the case of both of applicants born outside of South Africa, an original or certified copy of the foreign birth certificate reflecting the full details of both parents and accompanied by an English translation by a sworn translator if the original birth certificate is not in English. An original or certified copy of the South African passports and or identity documents if you have one, an original or certified copy of your foreign passport, an original or certified copies of your father's South African passport, identity documents or immigration permits if it is applicable, an original or certified copy of your mother's South African passport, identity documents or immigration permit if also it's applicable. A self-addressed A4-sized envelope franked with postage stamps to the value of 69.91 Rand to mail the issued documents and any personal original documents. Alternatively, an applicant may collect the issued documents in person from the Department of Home Affairs. It is also important to note that there is no application fee for the determination of South African citizenship, and therefore an official of the Department of Home Affairs cannot request such a payment from you. The duration or how long this takes in terms of the time frame for the determination of your citizenship status, the intra-departmental movements of the application and tracing of original records in the register held by the Department of Home Affairs is a time-consuming task, with the results that these applications may take up to 6 months to process. Applicants should be immediately notified as soon as the citizenship status has been received by the departments in Pretoria, and are therefore requested not to contact the office unnecessarily for the progress reports. In the event that the application takes longer than 6 months, then you are permitted to contact the Department of Home Affairs. Due to long-term nature of such applications, applicants are requested to keep the departments informed of any changes of address during this processing period. And then if you are a relative of a citizen or permanent resident of South Africa, in this case of a prospect Namibian citizen who wishes to apply for a permanent residence permit on the basis of being a family member of a South African citizen or permanent resident within the first step of kinship, the following documents are required: a fully completed application form, photographs, 2 recent color passport type photographs, a valid original passport, a birth certificate which is unabridged, a medical report that must not be older than 6 months, radiological reports, and all applicants 16 years and older, excluding pregnant women, are required to submit a radiological report. Police clearance certificate, which is only accepted if issued by the relevant police authority, a marriage certificate which is unabridged, or proof of registration of customary marriage or documentary proof of cohabitation, as well as the extent to which the related financial responsibilities are shared by the parties. A divorce certificate, a decree of divorce or proof of legal separation, as well as the relevant court orders regarding custody and maintenance of children and previous spouses. This proof of maintenance is required irrespective of whether or not the applicant has since remarried. Education, so a detailed curriculum vitae of CV, including highest educational trade or professional certificates evaluated by South African qualifications. Proof of kinship, so relationship confined to biological or judicially adoptive parents, biological or judicially adoptive children, or a spouse. Proof of cohabitation, proof in the form of communal accounts or any other documents relating to cohabitation. Undertaking by a citizen, so a South African citizen or resident needs to undertake regarding his or her financial, medical, and emotional responsibility for the applicant. This is not really applicable where the relative is the parent of a minor of a South African citizen or resident. Confirmation from the citizen, so confirmation that the South African citizen or permanent resident did not obtain residence in terms of Section 27, Paragraph G of the Immigration Act. This section provides that applicants do not qualify for citizenship if they are applying under a South African minor child, or applicants applying through permanent residence holder who obtain status as a result of a relative. The first part of this section entails that an applicant with minor children are no longer able to apply for permanent residence until these children are able to financially support the applicant. So I hope what I have discussed on today's video, that it was insightful and informative. And if it was informative and insightful, please do click the like button. Please follow us on YouTube. Click on the bell button for post notifications, and do stay tuned for the next video.